Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. The information and analytical service is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. If necessary, it is possible to stop the video. You can study each company indicator more closely. We will look at the main fundamental indicators of the corporation. Novagold Resources Inc., ticker NG. This review is based on information as of June 29, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Novagold Resources Inc. belongs to the subcategory Metal Drag. 68 companies are involved in the analysis. We will look at the decisions made towards the end of this video. Overall score for the company, minus 7.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 3.3 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the framework of the entire stock market as a whole, you can see that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8. Against a minus rating, 7.5 points for Novagold Resources Incorporated. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares Novagold Resources Incorporated and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Novagold Resources Inc. showed a dynamics of 15.1%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory 56.6%. Market capitalization of the company Novagold Resources Incorporated amounts to $1.66 billion, with a capitalization of the subcategory of $401 billion. The company's book value is $0.16 billion. With a book capitalization of $166 billion, the subcategory is worth $166 billion. By comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we can see the following. Occupied share Novagold Resources Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.413%. The book value is 0.096%. Evaluation of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory bad, minus 1 point. The financial liabilities of the analyzed organization amount to $0.155 billion. Financial liabilities to book value account for 97% of equity. The company's debt result, toll, 0 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 25.1. Evaluation of the company's market price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $85 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The ratio of the company's value to revenue is 0. The average in the subcategory is 3.9. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $0 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is 0%, with an average of 15.6% in the subcategory. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.006%. This is 6,783% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $118,579,000, while in the subcategory there are $1,664,000. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is minus $6,064,300, with an average for the subcategory of $66,300. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per individual employee is $0,000. In the subcategory, $426,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 4.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 1.9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 51% for the company Novagold Resources Inc, while for the subcategory the RSI level 14 is 47%. The company's actual share price is around $4.09. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $7.54. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the evaluation information system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the stock valuation, Novagold Resources Inc. helps System.GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open sell order at $4.08 per share. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly low rating. The organization's assessment was carried out on the basis of the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 2.37. Stop loss is set at 5.79. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of the exchange session on July 29, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, NEM, is the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the last price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and help system, Guru Markets.